Hey, welcome to another Botsociety tip. In this video, I'll show you how you can create, add, and change connections in your canvas using Botsociety. Before I show you how you can do that, let me just remind you what are connections. Well, connections are pretty much connections. They are the arrow connectors that you see floating around on your canvas, and you can use them to connect things on Botsociety. Usually, they're connecting paths, like one path to another one, but you can also think about connecting a path to a conditional block, or connecting a message or a path to another design file, or even connecting a message to another path. So for this one in particular, we call these repair paths, and we have another specific Botsociety tip video for that. If you'd like to learn more about this, you should definitely check that video. So how can you use connectors on Botsociety? Let's see. So for this example here, I'm going to use a chatbot preset. This is a generic preset. And we're going to design a game that the person says a number, and the bot is going to say that if this number is even or odd. So first thing first, to make a connection between one path and another one, you need to have a path, right? So you can just connect this path to another one. There are a few ways that you can do that. You can just mouse over here on this linked message and then connect one path to another one. You're going to see that it's going to create this connection. And then I can create a path right away. So I can say like create a path. And for this one, I'm going to say like this is an even number. And I can just say something like let me think, like this is an even number. And I can also think about creating another path for like an odd number, which would be like, I'm gonna clone this path, I'm gonna add here, and for this one, I'm going to call this odd number. So for this one, I can just replay or update the message like odd number. So right now, as you can see, I could connect this path here. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I can just connect this path here to two different paths. And let me just save it here. And if I press play, the message is going to be something like this. Tell me a number. The user is going to say something. And then we are going to pick a scenario, right? Like this is an even number or this is an odd number. So what I just showed you was like how I can connect one path and create another path from a particular path. But sometimes, let's say you just want to change one connection to one path to another one. So to make things a little bit more complicated, I'm going to create one extra path that I'm going to say this is the processing or thinking path, where the bot's going to say something like, let me think. So when the user says the number, the bot's going to reply right away like, let me think. And then we're going to pick if it's an even or an odd number. I know we could add some conditional blocks, but this video is not about that, okay? This is going to be between us. So how can I change one connection from one path to another one? So to do that, I just need to mouse over my connector. And then you're going to see there is these two nodes connecting one path to another one. There is this three-dot menu, which you can change the colors. And there is the X. If you click in the X, you're going to delete the connector. But what we would like to do here is just to change one connection to another one. So to do that, I just click in the connector, click on this node here, and then I can connect to this particular path. So right now, I just changed the connection from this path to this one in particular. And to show you how you can delete a path, as I said, you can just click in the path and click in the X, and then you're going to delete the path. So let me just rearrange things here real quick. So what is going to happen is the bot's going to start the conversation saying like, tell me a number. The user is going to say a number. The bot's going to say like, let me think. And then the bot's going to bring an answer. So again, I can just connect this path to oops, I can connect this path to these another paths here, like I'm doing here. So if we test this again, you're going to see like, tell me a number. The user is going to say a number. The bot's going to say, let me think. And then we can pick the scenario, right? Like if it's an even or an odd number. And yeah, so that's pretty much how you can create connections, change connections from one path to another path, or yeah, from one message to another path. And yeah, you can also change the colors of the connections. Like you can just click in any connectors in your canvas. You're going to see these 3 little dots here. And then you're going to pick a color. Like you can pick whatever color you like, or you can even specify the color that you would like to see on Botsociety. Connectors can also be about connecting one path to another design, but we're going to have another Botsociety video, a Botsociety tip for that. I'm curious to see how you're going to use this. I hope you enjoyed this Botsociety tip, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.